Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the girl Evanity Star coming back to you with another video. And today I am coming to you with my dinner. I'm having a fish, a tilapia, and I have some sweet potatoes and my specialty way I've prepared my seasoning. I just sauteed some onions and some tomato and some thyme and some scallion. Yes guys. So here is my little din din. I'm gonna be showing you my din din right here, my fish and my sweet potato with my chopped up seasoning on the side. I just sauteed this right here. So guys, I will be getting down, and this is my aquafina, baby, my aquafina. So guys, I am going to be praying over this meal. Heavenly Father, just continue to guide me and protect me as and watch over me as I eat this food, that it may nourish and cherish my body. Ask of you in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. So I'm going to be going down in this. Guys, I just prepared it. So, okay. Fam at home. This is not a whole lot. This is similar to what you would have eaten. Home. I love fish. It's got a lot of things that I love. Quite a lot of things that I really do love to eat. And fish is definitely one of them. And the sweet potato. Once upon a time I didn't love to eat sweet potato, but when I get to understand what sweet potato does, it is very good for the body. And it's good starch. When I start having it on a regular, then I start to have an acquired taste. So it starts tasting well. That is so delicious. I'm telling you, when I'm eating, I can't think. Especially when the food starts to tickle my fancy. Oh my God. You know, fish on a whole is very easy to cook, to me. But not all fish taste the same. And the more exotic the fish, the more expensive is the fish. I enjoy my fish more when I have bones in it. It show me that I'm a typical girl, you know, man. A typical girl. Oh. Miss my fish. I have not eaten fish in about 2 weeks. I'm like, Eva, what's happening here? What's happening? You're not eating any fish? Mmm. Not eating any fish, Ivan? What's happening? Mmm. The funniest thing, I don't even put a lot of seasoning on it, and this, it just tastes so good. This fish have a lot of bones, but I love it. I love it. Unless you go to a fish outlet where they sell just different varieties of fish, this is what you're gonna get at Walmart or Kroger's or the other fish. Are very pricey. So it's rare. There's not a lot of it in the supermarket. But this one here, it's meaty. It's nice. So nice. Can't even talk. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Very meaty. You see that? No. No. I like to share my food with you guys. Share my food, yeah. This is so delicious. Can't even look up, guys. I can't even look up. I'm being greeted today. See, in Jamaica, we have the opportunity to buy so much fish. You're just looking at the sea, smelling the sea breeze. Because we are surrounded by sea. I have people that goes out in the deep, spend on big ships, and dive out in the deep. Bring back some big fish. The only thing I don't like about fish is that the fish is raw. When it's very big, it's hard to cut. Because you used to have some bones stand up in the fish as big as my hand right here. So you have to get like a saw to cut those fish. And the fishermen used to like dive and shoot the fish. Shoot the fish. This is so delicious. Anything you can put salt on, it's gonna be very nice. Because salt, anything you have to apply salt to. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, I come to the end of my meal, and I want to thank you. I want to thank you for staying to the end with me, guys. I want to thank you. I love me some fish. Yes, guys, come to the end of this. So want to thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here with me today, so that I can partake of this meal with you. Yes, guys, it's a pleasure doing this. I'm waking up myself. Pleasure doing this with you. So guys, if you like my videos, don't be afraid to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. And guys, remember, check out my merch store. I want to have my merch on my videos, but I can't until I have 10,000 subscribers. So guys, just please help me to reach that 10,000 subscribers and help participate in making me the gang. Oh my God, I just love you guys. I love doing this with you guys. I just love to come out of my shell and just share my enjoyment, share that joy with you. Make you know that I care and I love you. Somebody out there care and love you. And anybody can reach out to me. I'll be having live. I'm thinking about having live every day. You know what I mean? Because, you know, it takes me out of that dump and make me get bright. Because, you know, I don't have nobody around me except for my kids. Everybody, I would say, you just look, it's just the bird and the trees and the dog. Not even dog. You may hear dog barking, but it's in the apartment of somebody's apartment, you know. Or you may see them passing by, but you don't have much socialization. So when I do this, guys, I feel good. I feel good from my head to my shoes. Know where I'm going and I know what to do. I'm telling you, I feel good. I can come out of my shell. I can feel good. So guys, just support me by purchasing my merch, and you can look on my page, guys, and you can see things you can buy from Amazon. Just try and support me, and I have a PayPal link, and I also have a Cash App link. So guys, you can just donate to the channel. And because, you know, with what's going on now, a lot of people not really getting any revenues right now because of the amount of people that is putting out content. So just, if you want more, guys, just continue to support me and show me the love so I can love and bless other people. So guys, continue to watch, like, and share my videos, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when I do an upload. And make some sweet comments. Just tell me how much you love Evanity Star TV, alright? So guys, can't you like, share, and subscribe? And don't forget to ring the notification bell. I'm saying this over and over because I want you to hear it and hear it clearly. So guys, I'm going to be leaving you now. So like my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk with guys.